I was a wanderer, lost in the night, chasing the shadows, avoiding the light. I had no merit, no claim to your name. Deep in the silence, I carried my shame. You didn't leave me where I was found. You reached through the wreckage and stood on my ground. It's not a reward for the work of my hands. It's a river that flows through the driest of lands, higher than mountains, deeper than stars. It's the love that's written among the stars. It's your grace, reaching for the broken. It's your grace, the words that you have spoken. Greater than my failure, stronger than my past. A love so divine, a love that will last. Infinite grace pouring over me. It's the only reason that I am free. When I am weak, your strength is made perfect. When I am lost, you remind me I'm worth it. You don't see the person I used to be. You see the blood that was shed on the tree. Every mistake and every stumble is washed in the love that makes the proud humble. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. It's your grace, infinite, endless, boundless. It's your grace, it covers me, It's the only reason, that I am free. It's the only reason that I am free. Grace, infinite grace. Amen.